YouTube, what's going on? Bearded Fortech here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. I appreciate each and every last one of you. I have been super duper slammed over the past week and a half, and sometimes when these fleet vehicles get a lot of miles on them, gotta put some DPFs on them, and a couple turbos. So let me show you what I got going on back here. Expensive repairs going on here lately. Nice turbo, look at that. A new one. Right here in the shop, I got another DPF. There's a turbo right there. What is this down here? That's a turbo. That one's a charge air cooler. I'm sorry. Turbo down here, charge air cooler here. Another valve body, another DPF, which is actually replacing that DPF. We just haven't had a chance to do it yet. We were in the midst of trying to get all that cleaned out, and then all this happened, and parts came in, so we had to basically just like maneuver things around so we can get the vehicle in here to get the DPF put on. One of them's getting a turbo with a charge air cooler, because the charge air cooler, I noticed when we were diagnosing the turbo, the charge air cooler's actually got a crack on the top of it. That's a DPF because the vehicle had code P2002. It automatically tells you you're going to need a DPF system. So that's what's been going on in the wonderful world of fixing my fleet of 6.7s, power strokes. It's like comes in waves, man. Turbos, and it's usually on the compressor side where it fails. Kind of weird. Usually the same failure on all of them too. And then DPFs, obviously, that'll be like the fourth or fifth one. You guys remember a while back I had that run of AC compressors, and then I haven't done upper oil, as Rain Man would say, words. I haven't done any upper oil pans in a while, so I guarantee you that'll be my next run of fixing things, is my upper oil pans. But anyway, I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I will introduce you to my new mechanic here soon. He said it's cool to do, and I love you guys. I'll see you on the next one.